In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if a website is built with Squarespace. This process is simple and doesn't require any advanced technical skills. So, even if you're new to the world of web technologies, you should find it easy to follow along. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the website in your browser. Once the page is fully loaded, move your mouse to any part of the web page and perform a right-click. You'll see a drop-down menu with several options that might seem a little overwhelming if you're not used to them. But don't worry, the option we're looking for is labeled View Page Source. Select this option. What you've opened is the raw HTML of the website. This is the backbone of what you're seeing on your screen. It's essentially the code that tells your browser how to display all the elements you've been viewing. It might look a bit like gibberish at first glance, with strings of code and all sorts of symbols, but hidden within this text is a ton of useful information about how the site was built and functions. Now, since manually combing through all this code would be like finding a needle in a haystack, we're going to use a shortcut. This is where our search function comes into play. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+F if you're on a Windows computer, or CMD+F if you're using a Mac. A small search bar will pop up, usually in the top right or bottom corner of your screen. In the search field, type the word Squarespace. This command will highlight all instances of the word within the page's source code. If you find it, that indicates that some part of the website's structure or functionality is linked to Squarespace, suggesting it might be built with this platform. This is a handy way to cross-reference and verify web technologies. Just a quick tip. The word Squarespace could appear in various places in the code. For example, it might be part of a library or mentioned within a CSS or JavaScript file name. If you see this word, it doesn't always mean every aspect is Squarespace-driven, but it's a good indicator that Squarespace plays a role in the site. If you don't find the word, it's likely the site was crafted using a different platform. This technique of viewing the page source to uncover underlying web frameworks can be quite useful in gaining insights into how your favorite websites are constructed and managed. The more you practice with different websites, the more familiar you'll become with common patterns and structures. And that's all there is to it. I hope this tutorial has been insightful and makes you feel more confident when exploring the nuts and bolts of websites. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.